What is all these talking about fatty liver? Is it really that important to have a healthy and fat-free liver? Yes, in fact it is really important. And the problem is that the majority of population have some grades of fatty liver disease, but they're not aware of it. So they just continue their unhealthy lifestyle. And when they get an ultrasound, they're just shocked. That's why I think it's really important for you to know some simple ways to prevent and treat some levels of fatty liver disease and make sure that your liver is doing just fine. Hello and welcome back to our channel. This is Dr. Fatima and today we're going to talk about some simple drinks that you can make and use to detoxify your liver. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Firstly, I want to give you a brief explanation about what really liver does. Then you have an insight and you know why you should keep it healthy and why you should protect it. Something that a lot of people don't realize about the liver is that they think that the liver stores the toxins. But what really is that the liver doesn't store the toxins, it just gets rid of them. So normally, toxins are not stored in the liver. They are stored in the fat cells. But if you have a fatty liver, then the chances are that you have toxins stored in your liver. But why do we need to detoxify our liver and keep it healthy? Because our liver detoxifies the stuff that we eat and it actually helps our body to remove the toxins. That's why junk food, alcohol, and all these things are really bad for our liver, because these kind of stuff put pressure on our liver to detoxify the body from them. Another function of your liver is that it helps in producing bile, and with enough bile you can digest the food well and you will not have bloating and burping. On the other hand, bile helps your metabolism to work well, and it also helps your body to absorb the fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K, which are all really important vitamins for a healthy body. So all of these happens if you have a healthy liver. And in order to have a healthy liver, the most important factor is that you should have a healthy lifestyle. But in addition to a healthy lifestyle, I would like to recommend you with 4 drinks that you can make and use them to detoxify your liver. In order to know when exactly you need to do something extra for your liver, you firstly need to know some of the signs and symptoms of fatty liver disease. If you have bloating, burping, your stool sticks and it's pale in color, you have gas formation, that means that there's probably something wrong with your liver and you have to work on it. Also, if you have discomfort while digesting something that has a little bit of fat in it, then this is a sign that you have to take care of your liver and remove it from fat. But how can it be done? How can we take care of our livers? It's actually really easy. Do exercise, eat healthy, and try these detoxes that I'm gonna teach you. The first detox that I'm gonna teach you is raisins water. So what you should do is to take 500 milliliter of water and boil it, and as it boils, just stop the heat and add 200 grams of raisins to it. You have to do it at night and then keep this water the whole night. And the next morning when you wake up, the first thing you have to do is to drink 100 or 150 milliliters of this water. So it's gonna be half a glass, you just drink it and keep the rest of it. And drink the rest of it in smaller quantities like 50 milliliters in different times of the same day. You can also eat the raisins that are left and see that they will help you with your digestion. It actually doesn't matter what type of raisins you use. You can use the simple types or you can use the ones that have some type of seeds in it. The next one is a smoothie that you can make and keep the fat off your liver. For this one, we need kale, blueberry, and kefir. And you can put them in the freezer, then it will be really easier to blend them. You should blend 2 cups of kale with 1 cup of blueberry and 1 cup of water and 1 whole fat kefir. You should blend it properly and drink it every day. It is actually really effective in reducing fat from your liver. The next home remedy is with bottle ground. So you should take a middle-sized bottle ground and cut it into smaller pieces. Add the bottle grounds to the blender in addition to 30 to 40 grams of coriander leaves, as well as 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and some salt. Remember that the quantity of salt is according to your own taste, but for sure it shouldn't be so salty. You should drink it for 7 days continuously and then repeat it each 4 months. And remember to drink it 1 glass every day in the morning with empty stomach. The final drink is made of spinach and beetroots, so you should take both of them and cut them into smaller pieces and add them to a blender. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric, a little bit of water, and some black pepper based on your taste. Blend it and then take only the juice of it. You should drink it once a day for 10 days and then repeat this period after 2 months. And remember to drink it 30 minutes after your meal. These drinks are very helpful not only for your liver, but for your digestion and even for your heart. The use of these home remedies has been really helpful for a lot of patients. I hope that they will be helpful for you too. Also, always remember to eat healthy and exercise a lot. Try these remedies out and stay healthy. That was it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!